Prepare the boosters. It's time to get this node ready for operation. Hello all, JT here. The assumptions at this point is that you're SSH'd into your node, you've got your firewall rules updated and a whole host of other things. You've even created an awesome wallet. Now it's time to put the node into operation. Remember, all of the commands that you'll need can be found below this video, whether you want to type them in or copy and paste them. Let's get started. The assumptions in this video are that you're SSH'd into your node like we see here. You've created your node wallet and your node is fully synced. If your node isn't currently synced, come back at a later time and check this video again. The command to check this is rocket pool node sync and then hit enter. You'll need to have ETH and rocket pool tokens to fund the wallet. Because we are on testnet, we're using testnet ETH and rocket pool or RPL token. If you're on mainnet, please disregard all mentions of going to the support channel in Discord to fund your node wallet directly. That's for testnet users. If you're new to all this, let's just stick with testnet for now and practice getting comfortable with all things rocket pool. Let's demonstrate how to get testnet ETH to our node wallet via commands right there on the Rocket Pool Discord. This video depicts Gurley, but there will be ongoing upgrades to the testnets that are used over time. Find the support channel on the sidebar on Discord. Let's ping the Rocket Pool Discord faucet bot by typing in !Gurley ETH, all one word, and paste in our wallet address and then hit enter. If you're using a newer testnet, just substitute the name of that testnet in the command. If the bot gives you trouble, there are humans in that channel who can help you out. We'll slap it around with 100 lashings from a wet noodle. Once the process is complete, the bot will send you one testnet ETH to your address. After a few moments, you can verify the transaction right there on your node by typing rocket pool node status and hit enter. Bam! 1 ETH confirmed, but we still have 0 rocket pool tokens. Let's fix that. Run the command rocket pool faucet withdraw -RPL and hit enter. There will be a chart here with gas prices to receive your RPL from the faucet. We will leave the settings at the default gas fee and hit enter. It will now ask you if you are sure. Type Y for yes, and then hit enter. The transaction will take some moments to be included in a block. It may take a few moments to complete, possibly longer. And there it is. We've successfully withdrawn 600 legacy RPL from the faucet. Let's check our status again by typing rocket pool node status. Currently, it shows 0 RPL tokens, but that's okay. Right here, it says we can swap those legacy RPL for new RPL. But before we do that, we need to register our node. Enter the command rocket pool node register and then press enter. Would you like to detect your time zone automatically? Type Y for yes and hit enter. Would you like to register using this time zone? Type Y for yes, hit enter. A chart appears again with gas fees to reflect the cost of registering the node. We will leave the settings at the default gas fee and hit enter. It will ask you, are you sure you want to register? Type Y for yes, hit enter. It may take a few moments to register. That's totally fine. And boom goes the dynamite.
And boom goes the dynamite.
Registration has been recorded, and now we'll wait for it to be included in a block. Now that the node has been registered on the blockchain, it's time to swap that old testnet RPL for new RPL. We'll start this process with the following command: rocket pool node swap -RPL. It asks you, would you like to swap your entire old RPL balance? Are you sure? Type Y for yes and hit enter, and wait a few moments. Next up, This is regarding giving the RPL contract approval to interact with our legacy RPL. Hit enter for the default gas fees, type Y for yes, and hit enter. Now for the actual swap. Again, we're on testnet. Hit enter for the default gas fees. It will ask you if you are sure you want to swap. Type Y for yes, hit enter. And wait a few moments. A message appears stating the swap was successful. Trust, but verify. Let's check our status again. Rocket Pool node status and hit enter. Wow, holy smokes. We've got a lot more to see here and it's awesome. We'll worry about what all these DAO voting and fee distributor and RPL stake things mean in a future video. And of course, we'll put that in the documentation. Let's scroll up though to find our new balances. Well, looky here. 0.49 testnet ETH and 600 RPL tokens. Nifty. All right, let's clear out all of that. All you have to do at the command prompt is type in the word clear and hit enter. Now we have a fresh screen to look at. We're gonna need more testnet ETH. Let's hit up the support channel again on Discord and type in ! node operator and then a space and then your node wallet address. The bot will respond and acknowledge the request. In our case, it took around an hour to receive the testnet ETH, but it did arrive. Let's see how much. Enter the command rocket pool node status and hit enter once again, and then scroll up to look at those balances. Boom, we have 9 more testnet ETH. How grand. Keep in mind, we've been demonstrating here how to set up a testnet operation. Just a reminder, if you're on mainnet, you don't need to use the Discord support channel for any reason. Mainnet ETH and RPL can be purchased and sent directly to your node wallet without using a Discord bot. And for the love of all that is good, no team member anywhere is ever going to DM you on Discord to help you with this process. Wow, that was a mouthful. Let's move to the next step, which is setting a withdrawal address. For this, we'll simply use MetaMask. Double bonus points if you use cold storage devices for this particular wallet, such as a Lattice One, a Trezor, a Ledger, or even a Lattice One. I'm a big fan. What can I say? Moving on. Whatever you decide, make sure this puppy is as secure as your node. This is where all your rewards will be sent to and where the staked node wallet funds will go if you ever withdraw your node from staking with Rocket Pool. It's vitally important this seed phrase on your cold storage device is as protected as the one on your node. Being your own bank is serious business. Don't be complacent and lazy. Copy this public address to your clipboard. Head back to the terminal with the following command: Rocket Pool node set -withdrawal -address and paste the address and hit enter. Make sure you have the ability to sign a transaction on the address you just entered in order to secure it as the new withdrawal address. Rocket Pool will continue to use your node wallet address as the withdrawal address until you confirm that you own the new address via the Rocket Pool website. There is an option for advanced users to force Rocket Pool to use it immediately, but we're not covering that here. Again, the gas chart appears to execute. Leave it blank for default, hit enter, type Y for yes, and hit enter. Wait a few moments. Now we see a message to confirm all this by visiting the Rocket Pool website linked below this video. After the page loads, paste your node address, not the withdrawal address. Paste, connect wallet, accept the terms. We're using MetaMask. Connect account, click next, click connect. It looks like we're connected. Verify you are on the correct network just in case. Now, on the Rocket Pool site, we see the button now says Find on it. Simply click. Now, confirm pending. MetaMask pops up with a transaction that you need to sign after a moment. Keep in mind, your withdrawal wallet will need some gas to confirm this transaction. Click Confirm to sign this transaction. Wait a few moments. Wow, that was a longer process than we've done in other videos, but we've just done a slew of things to move us down the road on the process. Now, let's check the status one more time to view the changes. Do you remember what the command is? Rocket Pool node status, and hit enter. Pretty intuitive, huh? Well, look at you go. Check out the balance, the time zone, the fact that we're registered, and we have our new withdrawal address registered and confirmed through the Rocket Pool site. Awesome. This is huge. On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.